Have you ever listened to English and thought, why does everyone sound smart except me? Why do they understand fast jokes, fast talks, fast videos, while your brain feels slow? Here's a strange fact. Many people who sound smart are not smarter. They are using small mental tricks, simple tricks. And today, you will practice English listening while learning those tricks at the same time. This topic matters because most English learners blame their memory, their age, or their background. They say, my brain is slow. I cannot catch English fast. But the real problem is not intelligence. It is how the brain listens. When you learn how to guide your brain, English becomes clearer, lighter, and even enjoyable. You stop fighting English. You start flowing with it. Imagine this scene. It is evening. You are scrolling on your phone. A short English video starts playing. The speaker talks fast. Your mind says too fast. You stop listening. You feel lazy. You feel small. Now pause. This moment is important because this is where smart listeners think differently. A smart listener does not try to understand everything. They listen for meaning, not perfection. Say this sentence with me slowly. I do not need every word. I need the idea. Again, I do not need every word. I need the idea. This one sentence can change your listening life. Let us practice. I will say a line. You repeat it after me. Shadow my voice in your mind. The weather feels heavy today, like the air is tired. Did you understand every word? Maybe not. Did you feel the idea? Yes, that is smart listening. Now a small mental trick. Stop translating. Translation makes your brain tired. When you translate, your brain runs back and forth. English to your language to English. That is slow. Smart listeners stay inside English, even if the picture is blurry. Picture this. You hear, I missed the bus this morning and everything went wrong after that. You do not translate. You imagine a person running, breathing fast, feeling annoyed. That is understanding. Say this out loud. I imagine the situation. Again, I imagine the situation. Let us turn this into practice. Present tense first. Listen and repeat. I feel confused when people speak fast. Now past tense. Yesterday, I felt confused when people spoke fast. Future tense. Tomorrow, I will feel more confident when people speak. Good. Your brain just learned patterns without grammar stress. Now a short story. A learner sits alone in a small room. The fan is on. The phone is in hand. An English podcast plays softly. At first, the words feel like noise. The learner smiles and says, it is okay. I will catch the feeling. After 5 minutes, something changes. The brain relaxes. Words start connecting. Not all, but enough. Confidence grows quietly. Ask yourself now, when you listen to English, do you panic or do you relax? Answer honestly in your mind. Another mental trick smart listeners use is prediction. Your brain loves guessing. Before the speaker finishes, your brain guesses the next idea. This makes listening faster. Let us try. Listen. Today I woke up late, and because of that, pause. Guess. Maybe the person missed work. Maybe they felt stressed. Now listen. Today I woke up late, and because of that, I missed an important meeting. See, your brain was ready. Say the sentence. My brain likes guessing. Again, my brain likes guessing. Now repeat after me for shadowing practice. I woke up late today. I missed an important meeting. I felt stressed all morning. Short, simple, clear. Let us talk about emotions. Smart listeners connect emotion first, words later. Emotion is universal. Listen, I tried my best, but it was not enough. How does that feel? Disappointed, tired. Now repeat. I tried my best, but it was not enough. Now future with emotion. Next time, I will prepare better and feel calmer. Repeat it. Another trick is listening with curiosity, not pressure. Pressure closes the brain. Curiosity opens it. Say this softly. I am curious, not scared. Again, I am curious, not scared. Imagine you are walking in a busy street. People talk. Cars pass. You do not understand every sound, but you are calm. English listening should feel like that. Background-friendly noise. Now describe your surroundings in English with me. I am sitting here. The room feels quiet. The light looks soft. My pone is warm in my hand. Good. This builds thinking in English. Let us add light humor. Your brain is not lazy. It is just tired of boring methods. Smile a little. That helps more than you think. Quick question. Do you listen to English only when you study? Or also when you relax? Smart learners mix English with life. Music, short videos, casual listening. Repeat this promise. I will listen a little every day, even when I feel lazy. You learn that smart listening is not about understanding everything. It is about ideas, emotion, guessing, and calm focus. Your brain is already working better. Let us continue from where your brain is already warm. Now we go deeper, but still simple. Smart listeners train their ears in layers. They do not attack long videos first. They start small and repeat. Repetition is not boring when you change your focus. Imagine this. You hear one short sentence again and again. First time, you catch the feeling. Second time, you catch some words. Third time, you catch structure. This is how children learn. This is how smart adults learn too. Listen to this line. I did not expect today to feel so heavy. Repeat it slowly. Again. Now listen for emotion only. Heavy. Tired. Now listen for time. Today. Past expectation. Good. Say it again. I did not expect today to feel so heavy. Now past tense practice with a story. Yesterday, I planned to wake up early, but I woke up late. I felt angry at myself. Repeat each line. Let your mouth move. Your brain follows the mouth. Future tense now. Tomorrow I will try again. I will wake up earlier. I will feel proud. Say it with confidence, even if you do not believe it yet. Here is another mental trick. Smart listeners accept confusion. They do not stop when confused. They keep listening. Confusion is part of progress. Say this. Confusion means I am learning. Again, confusion means I am learning. Now a short dialogue. Imagine two friends talking. One says, "You look tired today." The other says, "Yeah, I stayed up late scrolling on my phone." Repeat both lines. Feel how real life sounds. Casual, simple, honest. Ask yourself now, does English still feel like a school subject? Or does it feel like life? It should feel like life. Let us practice listening with imagination. Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine a small cafe. Soft noise. Cups moving. Someone says, "I come here to relax after work." You do not need perfect words. You see the scene. That is understanding. Repeat. I come here to relax after work. Now describe a plan. Next weekend, I will stay home. I will clean my room. I will watch something in English. Good. This is thinking in English about your life. Another trick is self-talk. Smart listeners talk to themselves in English. Quietly, gently, no pressure. Try now. Say in your mind, I am listening. I am improving. I am patient. Modern life makes our attention weak. Short videos, fast scrolling. That is why listening feels hard. But the solution is not quitting. It is slowing down. One voice, one idea. Repeat this line. One voice is enough. Again, one voice is enough. Now shadow this short speech. I used to feel nervous when listening to English, but now I stay calm. I listen for meaning. I trust myself. Say it with me. Check your feeling. Do you feel lighter? That is progress. We keep building from here. Your listening muscle is waking up. Your brain is learning to relax and focus at the same time. Good. Let us move forward while keeping the same calm rhythm. Now we add another powerful mental trick. Smart listeners listen with purpose, not just sound. Purpose. When you have a reason, your brain pays attention. Ask yourself silently, why am I listening right now? Maybe to enjoy. Maybe to learn one new idea. Maybe just to stay connected to English. Any reason is enough. Repeat this line. I have a reason to listen. Again, I have a reason to listen. Now imagine this situation. You are listening to someone talk about their day. They say, "This morning felt rushed, and my mind was already tired before noon." You do not panic. You catch rushed, tired, morning, before noon. You already understand the story. Repeat it. This morning felt rushed, and my mind was already tired before noon. Let us do a small task. While listening, choose one word you like. Just one. For example, rushed or tired. Hold it in your mind. This keeps you engaged. Now past tense again, but deeper emotion. Last year, I felt scared of English listening. I avoided videos. I made excuses. Repeat slowly. Feel the honesty. Now future hope. Next year, I will understand more. I will smile while listening. I will feel proud of myself. Say it like it is already true. Another trick smart listeners use is letting go of judgment. They do not say, "I am bad." They say, "I am learning." Judgment blocks progress. Kindness speeds it up. Say this gently. "I am not bad. I am learning." Again, now a realistic story. A learner plays an English video while cooking. Oil is heating. Vegetables are cutting. The video plays in the background, not full focus, but the ear listens. No pressure. After a few days, familiar sounds appear. Confidence grows quietly. Ask yourself, can I add English to my daily life like this? Let us practice describing surroundings again. Right now, I am here. The air feels calm. The sound is clear. My body feels relaxed. Repeat. Now a small listening challenge. I will say 3 sentences. Do not stop me in your mind. Just listen. I woke up late today. I missed breakfast. I still tried to stay positive. Now repeat them one by one. Good. Notice something. You understood without translating. That is smart listening. Another mental trick is trusting repetition. You do not need new content every day. One short audio repeated many times is gold. Repeat this line. Repetition makes me stronger. Let us add light humor again. Your brain loves drama, but English loves patience. Smile at that thought. Now a short Q&A style practice. Question. How do you feel when English sounds fast? Answer. I feel nervous, but I stay calm. Repeat both. Question. What will you do next time? Answer. I will listen for the idea. Good. We are building a new identity here. Not a struggling learner. A calm listener. Say this identity sentence. I am becoming a calm English listener. Your brain believes what you repeat. Let us keep going gently and confidently. Now we focus on another smart mental trick. Smart listeners listen with acceptance. They accept silence, mistakes, and gaps. They do not fight them. Think about this. When you miss a word, do you stop listening? Many learners do. Smart listeners keep moving. They let the missed word go. They stay with the speaker. Say this line slowly. I let missed words go. Again, I let missed words go. Now imagine this scene. Someone is talking fast. You miss one word. Then another. Instead of giving up, you stay calm. Suddenly, you understand the next sentence. That moment feels good. That is success. Repeat the sentence. Even if I miss words, I can understand. Let us practice. Listen to this short talk. Today was strange. I felt tired, but also hopeful. I did not finish everything, but I learned something. Now answer in your mind. Did you understand the feeling? Yes, that is enough. Repeat it aloud. Today was strange. I felt tired, but also hopeful. Now past, present, and future together. In the past, I felt nervous while listening. Now I feel more relaxed. In the future, I will feel confident. Say all 3. Feel the timeline. Another trick is slowing English down inside your head. Even if the speaker is fast, your inner voice stays calm. You do not rush. Say this. I listen calmly. Again, I listen calmly. Now a short dialogue with feeling. One person says, I do not understand everything. The other replies, that is okay. You understand enough. Repeat both lines. This is the voice you need inside your head. Modern life makes us impatient. We want fast results, fast fluency, fast confidence. But the brain learns slowly and deeply. Smart listeners respect that. Ask yourself honestly, am I too hard on myself? Just notice. No judgment. Now describe a feeling. Right now, I feel more aware. I feel calmer. I feel focused. Repeat. Let us practice shadowing again. Speak with me, not after me. I am listening. I am relaxed. I am improving every day. Good. Another mental trick is listening with the body. Your face relaxes. Your shoulders drop. Your breathing slows. This helps understanding. Try now. Relax your shoulders. Take one calm breath. Now listen to this line. I used to think English was too hard, but now I see progress. Repeat it. Now a small task. After this video, listen to 5 minutes of English, not more. Do not test yourself. Just listen. That is your homework. Say this promise. 5 minutes is enough. Let us add a little humor again. Your brain is not a machine. It is more like a sleepy cat. Be gentle with it. Now imagine the future you. You are listening to English. You are not stressed. You smile when you do not understand. You stay curious. Describe it. In the future, I will enjoy listening to English. Repeat. Your mindset has shifted. Your listening skill has started growing from the inside. Quiet strength. The kind that grows when you stay consistent. Not perfect. Smart listeners build trust with themselves. They stop quitting after one bad day. Think about yesterday. Maybe you felt tired. Maybe you skipped practice. That does not mean failure. It means you are human. Smart listeners return without guilt. Say this sentence. I can start again today. Again, I can start again today. Now imagine this moment. You press play on an English audio. Your mind says, I am tired. Instead of stopping, you say, I will just listen. No test. No pressure. 5 minutes pass. Something clicks. Not everything, but something. That is progress. Repeat this. Something is enough. Let us do one last deep practice together. Listen carefully and then repeat. I am not trying to be perfect. I am trying to be better than before. Say it slowly. Feel it. Now, a final short story. A learner once believed intelligence was fixed. Either you are smart or you are not. But over time, through calm listening, repetition, and patience, that belief changed. English did not change. The learner did. Confidence grew. Listening became lighter. Life became less heavy. Ask yourself, what belief about yourself needs to change? Now, describe your present moment. Right now, I am here. I am listening. I am learning something new. Good. Describe your past struggle. In the past, I felt lost while listening to English. Describe your future. In the future, I will understand more and fear less. Say all three together. Let them connect. Another mental trick is celebrating small wins. Did you understand one sentence today? That is a win. Did you stay calm? That is a win. Say this. Small wins matter. Now answer this question in your mind. What is one small win from this video? We are almost done. Before we finish, repeat this short shadowing speech with me one last time. I listen with calm. I listen with curiosity. I trust the process. I am becoming smarter every day. Good. That is your new inner voice. If this lesson helped you even a little, show that support, like the video. It tells the system to share this calm learning space with more people. Write one sentence in the comments about how you feel right now. And subscribe, because learning English is not a one-day thing. It is a journey, and you do not have to walk it alone. Remember this. You are not slow. You are learning. You are not weak. You are training. Keep listening. Keep showing up. Your brain is changing, even when you cannot feel it yet.